Hey, check it out, I got some new obnoxious Kawasaki green to put on the KLX 300. But that's not what this video is about. The internet pointed me in the direction of a longer shift lever for the KLX. If adjusting it to a different angle wasn't enough, this one's made by IMS, and you can see it's made for XR650 years 93 through 22, but this will fit on the KLX as well. I've been told it's right about an inch longer. For comparison, here is the stock shift lever that comes on the KLX 300. You could also see here it's got like a different bend to it, so I'm not sure if I'm going to need to adjust this or not, but time will tell. Just got to grab a 10mm wrench. One thing you definitely don't need to worry about is IMS's quality. I have their foot pegs on the bike and super impressed with them. Let's mount it on the bike and see how it does. Here's the Tusk one that I have on the bike right now. That one's pretty much identical to the stock one. Here's the IMS one. It looks slightly longer. It's definitely bent at a different angle, so I'll take this Tusk one off, put the IMS one on, and see what we get. So obviously this thing fits. I don't think anyone was worried about that. It does sit at a weird angle. I think it is going to require some bending. I'm going to bend this one in a little bit, mount it back on, and see how it looks, see how it feels. So this isn't the ideal way to bend this, but looking around the shed, this was really all I could come up with. I got the shift lever clamped down to the edge of my workbench. I'm just going to push on this to bend it inwards, so we'll do a little strength test here on this shift lever. If it works, it works. I got a little bend there, so I'm going to take it back off this workbench and put it on the bike and see if that angle works a little bit better. So yeah, I'm happier with that bend. You can see here the Tusk one again for comparison. It is a little bit longer, not by too much, but every little bit counts. And if you haven't been able to get comfortable with the stock shift lever, give this one a shot. But just know it's not plug and play. You will have to bend it to find the right angle for you. These things are about 50 bucks on Amazon, so it is pricey for a shift lever, but if you haven't been able to get the stock one work for you, this one might work. Another one I saw people mentioning were the shift lever, if you look up the shift lever for a Banshee, but I do know you'll have to bend that one as well. So I'll put these side by side again so you can see what they look like. You're going to need to bend it, and it's going to take some time, but eventually you'll find what works for you. So I think this whole video and all those 1 inch longer comments all deserves a "that's what she said."
That's what she said.
Michael, please.
There he is.
Please.
There he is. If you're interested in the KLX 300, want to see more videos on it, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, make fun of me in the comments section, and I'll catch you on the next one.